Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a unique disability ID. First, determine if you meet the specific eligibility criteria set by your local government or issuing authority. Next, find the official website or physical office where applications are processed. You'll then start filling out the application form, providing your basic personal information like your name, address, and contact details. This initial step is crucial for a smooth application process. Once you've started the application, the next vital step is gathering all necessary documents. You will need proof of identity, like a driver's license or passport, and documents verifying your address. Crucially, obtain current medical certificates or a physician's certification form detailing your disability. Don't forget a recent passport-sized photograph. Having these ready will prevent delays in your application. After preparing your documents, you might be required to attend a medical assessment. Specialist doctors will evaluate your condition to confirm your disability. Once this is complete, carefully review your entire application to ensure all sections are accurately filled and all required documents are attached. Finally, submit your completed application through the official online portal or at the designated physical office. You will likely receive a reference number. After submission, you can typically track your application status online using the reference number provided. Once approved, your unique disability ID card will be generated and dispatched to your registered address, often via postal service. A digital copy might also be available for download. This card serves as official proof of your disability, granting access to various benefits and services. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.